and all the fields in them. Now I'm going to try some other things that I put in that handout and see how we do. We can go a little further if we want to. Let's say we look at this and we don't like the ordering of it. So what I'll do is I'll say I'd like to select the customer name I better get over there. I went over to do something else. Customer name, and I didn't spell that right, so customer name from customers, and now I'm going to order it. And let's see, I think we just say order by customer name, semicolon. I made an error. I spelled select wrong. Oh, that's just wonderful. All right, select customer name from customers order by customer name. Now this time, if you look, they're in alphabetical order. And you can put the word DESC at the end of that, and I think it does it in the ASC or something like that. But you can look that up later. It's not that important at the moment. So now you have the select, the from, and the order by. The next thing I wanted to show you was, I'm not going to do the custom ordering. That's not as important. The most important thing for us right now is the where. And if you look, I have here in what I sent you, which you can see I have off on the side here. I'm going to try to avoid typing it again by just rearranging this. Now this is from a different table. This is from the employees table. And if I put it here, look at what I got. First, I select. What I'm selecting is the last name and the first name and the job title. Then I have to tell what table I'm taking it from. That's employees. Then I give which lines of the table I want. I want every entry in the table, every record in the table, the rows are called records, where the job title equals sales rep. It will ignore all other lines and just produce an output for me of just that information. I'll have all the sales reps I want. It tells me how many I have. If you see, it says there are 17 rows with that. So that is, the where is one of the big important things we use with any kind of SQL. It's how we pick, how we filter the records. Now, the next thing I showed you is we also can use and or. And this says, I want I don't just want the sales reps. I want to know which one of them have an office code of 1. So if I can copy this and then bring it over here, you'll notice we limited the whole item. We set an end. That means for us to get one of the records, both the fields have to be what we asked for, not just one of them. Now, of course, there's an OR, which works just about the same way. And then there's wildcards. The wildcard basically says, I know some of what I want, but I don't quite know it all. So I'm going to give you one that I use in the sample I sent you. If I can bring it up, here it is. I'm having my usual problems of writing. I'll try once more. Here we go. And now I went too far. That's not what I want. So let's go back up and try once more. I might do better typing it, but I hope not. So I want this section here. And this introduces another very important item. The item like, L-I-K-E. What this little piece here says is, the last name should follow a particular pattern. I don't care what it starts with. I want it to end with SON. The wildcard % says anything goes, any number of characters. I don't care what's there. But after those, SON should be at the end. And you'll know it shows me several Pattersons and Thompsons. That's one or two wildcards. The other one we'll look at in a while. I think the one I want to look at is the other two wildcards. The other one is the underscore. And the underscore says 1 character. That's all we want. We wanted to find 1 character. I didn't send you a sample of that, so let me try one. Select, I'll say first name, and I need to put them on separate lines. And I didn't make that work. All right, I believe I hit a Control-C to get out of that. Select, enter, first name, and I got to go back and spell it right, F-I-R-S-T-N-A-M-E, from employees, where the first name is like, let's see, 4 characters. So the first name is underscore, 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 underscore. That's basically saying I want 4 characters exactly. And then I'm going to hit this. And it's complaining, yes, I did make a simple mistake. I spelled it wrong. So let's see if I can copy that and run it again. No, I can't. I got to retype it. All right. So let me go at it again. Select the first name that was spelt wrong. All right. Once more. Select first name from employees where the first name is like, and now I'm going to give you 4 of these underscores. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the semicolon. I can't seem to spell it right. I hope you get the point. Try it. It will work. It'll give us Mary. It won't give us any of the others. The other thing you might look at is try the between and see how you do that. I think that's enough to get you started. What I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to give you some items to try, a homework to try different things on this. So I'll see you tomorrow. So long. And now